75, sir. Just 75.
60,
75, sir.
93, diba?
75.
You have GCash? It's 93 pesos, diba?
Yes, sir. Supposed to be 75, sir.
Okay.
You know your fare, sir?
Hmm?
75. You need, I need 3
3
pesos, sir.
pesos. Diba?
Yes, sir.
I don't have 3 pesos now, kaya. Hmm?
What will I do, sir?
Maybe next time, okay?
No, sir. I
You
need,
have GCash, you give me GCash and I'll send to you.
Okay, sir. Just send it on, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir. Send the Gcash, sir.
You have? Call me your GCash number.
Sir 921.
I will send it to her. She will receive.
Just
Okay?
send it, sir.
Hmm?
Just send it now.